Work in robotics near 10 years, and I was head of Russian Association of Robotics, but now I am more focused to develop cooperation between Russia and Asia. So, and here today, I present a company who really interested to find a partner in Singapore. So, and the name of this company is Amethyst Capital. It's a huge company, it's a group of companies that have owned 4 construction companies with a revenue more than $1 billion US. They also have a design institute, education organization, and also they own IT companies. They have portfolio more than 17 IT projects that help them to improve their own process. So today we heard a lot of things about IT solutions, AI, and now I will show you how big construction company implement this software into own process. So here's a video about this company.
In 2023, worldwide spending by companies to run digital solutions totaled $2.15 trillion. And by 2027, this figure will grow to $3.9 trillion. Information technology is the fastest growing segment. Hundreds of digital solutions for every sphere appear on the market every day. If you are not digitizing your processes, you are starting to fall behind your competitors. Construction is one of the most promising sectors for digitalization. According to Rosstat in Russia, the volume of construction grew by 8% in 2023. Every year, at least 5 million families improve their living conditions, and about 120 million square meters of real estate are built. Construction was included in the top 5 priority industries in Russia for the introduction of artificial intelligence. The withdrawal of Western players from the markets in 2022 has become a powerful stimulus for the development of Russian software. Amethyst Capital is an investment company that combines various IT solutions, facilitating construction process from all perspectives. Our products assist at design and engineering, construction and operation stages of a facility lifecycle. The mission of the company is to simplify life and the working process for all participants of the construction market, significantly reduce construction costs, and boost prestige and popularity of the construction profession among the younger generation. Amethyst Capital portfolio includes: over the last 3 years, the company has grown from the idea up to a digital circuit that solves key construction tasks. We have picked up the most promising IT products for construction and consolidated them into an ecosystem for all participants of the construction process. Our share of the Russian digital market is about 5%.
Yep. So, to be not just a construction company, but investment company who choose best technology market, Amethyst analyzed more than 600 companies that exist on Russian market in IT for construction, and they choose 17 projects that are already in the portfolio of Amethyst and ecosystem, and this helped to bring some result for the business. Here is some of the case where we can see the result of implementation. So they have they realized project to build a clinic in the Moscow, and the estimated price of the budget was around $61 US, but through the implementation of the IT solutions, they reduce the price and save more than $4.7 million US when they invest just $125,000 US. So IT solutions already give good results into implementation and save money and time. And today I also will show what kind of IT solutions they used and have these effects. Here is the IT project that they own inside the portfolio and ecosystem, and there is different blocks that help to build whole ecosystem. There is management construction process software, special systems that help to automate material procurement, also digital documentation, outsourcing and outstaffing platforms that help to manage all machines, also control toolkits that using by workers. So, and I will tell you of some software that they used more. And here's one of them is Xcon. Xcon is a digital platform that help automate all construction process.
Exxon is a platform for joint work of construction project participants of all levels. It provides automation of processes and technical electronic document turnover in project management, construction control, maintenance of executive documentation. Within the framework of financial and electronic document turnover, provides automation of the process of formation, coordination, and signing of acts of completed works. Complex management of the construction project realization terms is provided by the Calendar Network Planning module. Problem 1. Cost increase associated with inevitable changes in working documentation. The contractor performs works according to the issued working documentation. At this time, a new version is being agreed upon. Bottom line, the cost of all revisions is the cost of the project. Solution. Participants of the construction project of all levels see the statuses of all sets of working documentation. They plan their work based on this information. Problem 2. Loss of technical documentation when the contract with the contractor is terminated, associated with the risk of obtaining a permit to commission the facility. Solution. All technical documentation and related financial records are kept in electronic form, up to date at any time and stored at the customer's premises. Problem 3. Speed of money movement, 50-70 days from physical fulfillment of the work to receipt of money to the account of the executor. As a result, the performer is forced to apply for revolving credit. Solution. Automation eliminates errors in the formation of documents and makes the processes of maintaining the executive documentation and signing the acts of completed work transparent. Subjectivity is eliminated. The speed of money movement increases to 7 to 10 days. Application effects. Reduction of terms of acceptance and payment for works from 50 to 10 days. Reducing the need to obtain loans for working capital. Budget savings due to significant reduction in the use of irrelevant working documentation. Saving 1972 boxes of paper. Number of clients, more than 8,000. Number of users, more than 30,000. Number of objects, more than 3,100.
Okay, I will also summarize the main thing that using this software, now the process from the execute, the project finish it, and to get the money start to be just 7 or 10 days, but before it was around 50 days. And company was needed money to go to another part of the job, and they found a credit from the bank or other thing, but now it's not needed because this payment process became easy and faster. And the problem of papers, of documentation, is also eliminated because now it's totally paperless. But before, it was really hard because when you build one high-story building, the documentation for this project will be sized like one of the flat. Or, for example, when Amethyst did a renovation of big stadium in Moscow in Russia that was prepared for World Cup, Football Cup in 2018, the documentation for this project was around like 17 truck with paper for this kind of big project. So now it's totally digitalized and help for all participants of the construction site be on the one platform and do it without paper. Another platform that's used by Amethyst and other construction company in Russia is a Synteca. Synteca is AI instrument that help to find best supplier of the material. Here's a video about it.
Synteca is a solution for comprehensive automation of supply and procurement management in construction. The laid tunnel business process allows to carry budgets, organize from objects systematic collection of requests for materials, their coordination, carries out control of purchase limits, delivery dates, payment, collects offers from suppliers with automatic formation of a tender table. The program belongs to the class of SRM, has integration with the electronic trading platform Zakupy for seamless connection and interaction with suppliers, starting from the request for quotation to full control of closing documentation and quality certificates of products. Problem 1. Bottlenecking at the level of procurement specialists. Specialists' subjective approach to supplier selection. Solution. Automation of the entire chain of the procurement process. This leads to acceleration of the processes of working off requests, approvals, payment, and acceptance of deliveries. Problem 2. Lack of a single channel of communication between supply and construction site. Solution. Our service will make the supply process transparent. PRAB can see in real time the status of the request fulfillment and can plan the production of works. Problem 3. Material procurement costs exceed the budget. Solution. We automated the invoice payment reconciliation process. Now the process of comparing the quantity of goods and purchase cost with the budget takes place at the moment of payment approval. Application effects. Savings on purchases up to 12%. Reduction of expenses on procurement departments 40 to 60%. Acceleration of requests and invoices processing by 2 times. Number of clients more than 1350. Number of users more than 779,000. Number of projects more than 207,400.
Yep. So about materials. Usually on the construction project, just 50% of the price of this project is the price of the materials. And if you buy the materials on best price, you can get a good saving. And using this platform, Amethyst now already save in purchase around 5% of the budget for the materials. It means that it saves around 2% of the total budget of the project. And also this reduction of time that needed to order materials for 4%, and also increased productivity of the supply department more than 40–60%. Another software that in portfolio of Amethyst is a MapLab. Is a generative planning, is a AI tool that help to generate visualization of the new building just in second. You just need to write, I need a building in this area, 20-story, high-tech looks like, and just in seconds is create visualization. And also in 48 hours, you already will have master plan for this project.
MapLab is a platform for creating concepts for territory development. The platform is based on generative options using artificial intelligence. It is able to analyze the available opportunities and constraints for development based on a given territory. The result of its work are the concepts of territory development, master plan, visualization of objects, 3D tours, variants of facade solutions with reference to the list of finishes, floor plans, apartmentography. This data is provided by the platform in a single report in the format of working documentation. Problem 1. Protracted terms of development and approval of the territory development concept. Solution. The platform generates variants in 24 hours, thus accelerating the development process by 90 times. Problem 2. Unsuccessful urban planning reduces the comfort of urban infrastructure and the quality of life of citizens. Solution. Using the platform allows to predict the development in the most optimal way with high accuracy. Effects of the product application. Saving the time of concept realization from 3 months to 1 day. More efficient use of labor inputs of highly qualified specialists. Creation of standards at the city level. Effective development of urban development, taking into account current standards. Creation of socio-ecologically and economically sustainable cities through optimal planning of urban infrastructure.
So, yep, these softwares save a lot of time. So now it's not 30 days, it's just few days, and you just can have a master plan in 2 days. So another one platform that used in Amethyst is a FaceKit, is equipment control system.
FaceKit is a service for accounting and online monitoring of movements of hand tools, technical equipment, construction, and consumables. It provides full control over all material assets. The quantity, condition, and location of tools are always under the user's control. The service automatically distributes material responsibility among employees. The service life of hand tools or technical equipment is increased by 30 to 40%. Problem 1. Lack of operational data on the location and technical condition of a particular tool. Solution: keeping detailed information on any inventory movements at the facility and warehouses. Problem 2. Workers' negligent attitude towards the tools issued. Solution: a responsible person is assigned to each unit. The fact of tool transfer is recorded in the program. Application effects: extension of tool life by 30 to 40%. Saving on the purchase of new tools due to lost or incomplete sets. Timely maintenance of tools and equipment. Number of customers more than 8,250. The number of users is over 38,200. Number of units of tools and equipment more than 2 million.
So now you will never lose where is your tool, because the price of the tool can be different. Some tools are cheap, some tools are more expensive, and now you can manage condition of the tool, the employee who owns this tool, and sometimes in Russia some employees can take tool at home, and yeah, and it's better to manage it and control that all tool will be in place. So, Oliver already showed me that is a time. I will go faster. So, at this moment, government created a digital twin of the cities, and the government needed data. And the software on Amethyst was also using by government to get this data about the building, infrastructure, the material flow, how many trucks and people involved in the construction industry. And also, Amethyst helped to be in the between and integrate different segments of the market and different stakeholders, the business, government, and also education. And now, this IT solution in the company was created and added in the portfolio of the company just in 4 years. But now, there is new challenge because, okay, we reduced time of the project, we eliminated costs, but there is big lack of the people. And now we are in the process to solve this challenge because we need a new kind of construction and new technology because we don't have enough people. And at this moment, there is a big challenge for the construction site because there is around 200,000 people that needed on the construction site, and there is need around 20,000 design engineers that need to create building. It's just in Moscow, but also in other cities, because now the problem is that a lot of building was built in Russia in Soviet time. It's more than 50 years old, and now a lot of government programs focus to rebuild cities. And now we have program in the Moscow city, is a government renovation program that aims to build 1 million flat houses for people. And now there is a problem how to do it faster, and we understand that model construction and prefabrication production will help us solve this problem. So at this moment, we are looking for a partnership with companies from Asia who already have a background and have technology for prefabrication and model production, and who can be interested to do this kind of production in Russia and Moscow, who can adopt this technology for the Russian standards and environment. And also, we are looking for technology that help to automatize a lot of construction and production process to do it more efficiency and give a good result to solve the problem that we have. That's all. Here's my